Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you another awesome way to do infinity circles. So if you remember, I've done several videos, and if you don't remember, it's okay. You just haven't seen these yet. But I've done several videos with the infinity circle, and this movement is a phenomenal way to help keep your vestibular system healthy, to tie your shoulders to your hips, to glue your body together, to get both hemispheres of your brain talking to each other. It's just good for you. It's good for your nervous system. It's good for your body. And it just feels good. And you can do it in both directions, and you should, because that makes a healthy brain. But this way, I'm embarrassed that I've never shown you this before, but heck, kind of just found it. And what you do is we're going to do infinity circles while we walk. But it's like a saunter, really. It's not really like a walk. It's more like a cool mosey. Anyway, I'm going to draw infinity circles, and as I step forward with the leg that's stepping, I'm coming over it with my circle. So my hands, this shoulder is going towards the opposite hip, and this shoulder is going towards this opposite hip. And when you do this, you are going to feel everything in your center light up like a Christmas tree. And so then you step, circle, step, circle, step, circle. And this feels so good. I mean, you are going to feel like your torso is just rock solid and connected, like your shoulders and your hips they're just connected. They're one piece, one unit. Your body is whole. Your X is connected. Fantastic movement, guys. And so it's the same as this, and you can even contrast and compare. This feels good. This feels amazing. And you can also do it backwards. And you should, because again, this is so good for the brain, but feels so amazing on the body. This is one you gotta feel to believe, but once you feel it, you'll be like, no wonder he couldn't put that into words just right. That's good stuff. So give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.